how to contact Airbnb customer service from the app. So first open the app, then tap on the profile option on the bottom right corner. Then scroll down until you see an option called Get Help, which is right below account settings. Then tap on it. Here you'll see 4 options: visit the help center, get help with safety issue, and 2 others. Simply you can tap on the first option called visit the help center, and here Airbnb will search for a moment, and here you can see an option called search help. Tap on it, then you can search for any problem that you have, and this is how you can contact with Airbnb's customer service. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.